Welcome to our lesson on the Angle-Side-Angle Congruence Postulate, also known as ASA. In this video, we will explore a fundamental shortcut for proving that two triangles are identical. First, let's understand what it means for triangles to be congruent. Two triangles are congruent if they are perfect copies. This means every corresponding side has the same length and every corresponding angle has the same measure. They have the exact same size and shape. Every triangle has three angles and three sides. A key idea for today is the included side. An included side is the one that is located directly between two specific angles. It connects the vertices of those two angles. The Angle-Side-Angle Postulate states that if two angles and the included side of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding two angles and included side of another triangle, then the two triangles must be congruent. It's a powerful shortcut. Let's build this concept visually. Imagine we have two triangles. We start by identifying a pair of corresponding angles that are congruent or equal in measure. This is the first A in ASA. Next, we look at the side that is included between that first angle and another angle. If this included side is congruent in both triangles, we have found our C in ASA. Notice its position is locked between the two angles. Finally, we check the second angle. If the corresponding angles at the other end of our included side are also congruent, we have the second A in ASA. This completes the angle-side-angle pattern. So we have a matching angle, a matching included side, and another matching angle. Since all three of these corresponding parts are congruent, the ASA postulate tells us that the triangles themselves must be congruent. Let's look at an example. Both triangles have a 47-degree angle, an adjacent side of 9 centimeters, and another 47-degree angle on the other end of that side. Because the pattern matches the angle-side-angle format, we can confidently say these triangles are congruent. It's important not to confuse angle-side-angle with angle-angle-side, or AAS. In ASA, the side is between the angles. In AAS, the side is not between the angles. Both are valid ways to prove congruence, but they are different postulates. To recap, the Angle-Side-Angle Postulate is a shortcut to prove two triangles are congruent. If you can show that two angles and the side included between them are congruent to the corresponding parts of another triangle, you have proven that the triangles are identical.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.